Oh,
Recording is on.
It is the 14th of January, 2021. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. The past week, I I did one of the three things I talked about, which was put my 2 cents in about the events, certain events, and that seemed to have triggered some good constructive discussion. Coming week, I'm going to continue to monitor that for sure, and I'll try and get back to the more mundane things that we're doing. But I actually have an idea for fundraising, which I'll talk about in the crosstalk. And blocks are just a lot of other things going on. And so that's it for me.
Okay, it is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, I didn't post the video, and Lauren tells me he didn't either, so I guess I got to go and figure out if it's been posted and get it posted if it hasn't been. I was doing a little bit of video editing, and it always takes longer than I think it will. So I haven't got anything posted as yet for the tank level project, but I'm closer than I was last week. I last week got the charger or the battery charged for the Suncatcher car, and I haven't gotten down there and actually done any more testing on it. And I took some pictures of the inverter project, offline inverter. We actually had a power outage today where I could have used it if it had been working, but that has not progressed either. Little Red Wagon project has fallen by the wayside and is unfortunately not progressing. Next week, I would like to get a whole bunch of stuff done, but realistically, I'm going to get some editing done. Hopefully, I'll get a couple of things posted. And if I can get them posted with links to the wiki project, that will help. Blocks, just general motivation. I seem to want to sit in front of the TV and eat instead of going and doing something, which I guess is kind of typical. This COVID thing seems to affect everybody somewhat this way. And I guess that's about it for me. Go ahead, Laura.
Excuse me. Okay, my for this week I'm going to say a 6, or maybe I'll go to a 7, because I felt the my input was I think stimulated some good discussion, as I said. Team is 9, because in Canadian winter, the velocity is a little different, and the process improvement is maybe just learning a little more about security.
Okay. I'm going to give myself a 6. I'm going to give the team an 8 because we are still showing up and still getting some stuff done. There has been a lot more, not a lot more, there has been more chatter on the Google group, email group, and process improvement. I still don't really have anything. Learning more about security. I'm actually on a cybersecurity team, subgroup, I guess, at work, and it is truly scary how fast things have changed that I haven't been paying attention. So I think if you're actually paying attention, you still have trouble keeping up with all of this stuff. You you do have to hire a service or partner with a company or a team or something in order to have reasonably decent security. I'm pretty sure that nobody has decent security at home, at least as far as I can tell. Anyway, I guess that's about it for our stand-up. You said something about fundraising, if I remember.
Yeah, I'd like to go stop the recording.
Oh, okay.
For
So there's
crosstalk.
no crosstalk you want to do on camera?
Nope.
Okay. Find the button.